is Luke, and today we're going to be opening this Ryder Calyrex V-Box. Let's go on the back. It has 4 packs. It has the big card. It has the promo.
Rip it open.
I always love this part of the video. Oh, I just ripped this entire card off. Clip it. Chainring, Rebel Clash, and Darkness Ablaze.
Darkness Ablaze,
Chainring. Ice Ryder Calyrex VMAX. Not VMAX. V. Jumbo. All of the jumbos I've ever got are all real.
Ice Ryder Calyrex.
Probably like 6 or 7 at this point.
And so, Eli, would you like to go first?
Yes. Last time we did the
last video we got some strange packs.
Yeah.
There's a strange pack. 3 or 4 energies.
It was 4 energies.
4 energies and a good
in
card.
a row.
Mm-hmm. So you guys should check that video out. It was strange and scary.
Yeah.
Gold card.
Still kind of scared. Dark.
Steel.
Okay. Steam.
Tree Hill.
How come these two look different? This one's shaded more. It's a little bit darker.
Spiral
ball. Saddle.
He meditate.
Sweet.
Furfrow.
Diglett.
Digga.
Digga.
And of course his only move is dig.
Larvesta. Let's go. Cast
Reverse
snowy form.
Snow.
And let's have a bonus no single strike. Let's go.
Big boy.
Last time your pack was Rebel Clash, so hopefully I get something good. Curse and then something good.
I don't think you want to curse that.
Not cursed, but good. Let me get something good.
Fire.
Oh, I didn't guess that time. Shuckle.
Looks so cute.
Luxio.
Don't do that either.
Makes it easier.
Durant. Oh, it's a swarm of Durants.
Farfetch'd.
Angie.
Farfetch'd is always angry. I think.
Yeah, well, that looks cool.
Yeah. Then we have Caterpie. Glaring Corsola. Corsola is dead. That's what it looks like. Oh, I have it.
Duraludon.
Duraludon.
Snow.
Let's go.
Collapse. This Pokemon is now asleep. That's a funny move. The move has made Eli fall asleep as well. I used collapse on you. Oh.
Sleep.
Never. Darkness or Blaze.
At least the Snorlax is happy. At least that's the thing.
I think it's probably just the Darkness or Blaze packs that they put it that way.
Ooh, and it's green.
Doesn't matter.
Sometimes it does.
First card of water. Struggle gloves.
Struggle gloves.
It's a weird name.
I should only use struggle by using
Familiar bag.
struggle gloves. As well as radius.
Panseer.
Pensier.
Fire.
Fire.
Teddy Ursa.
Teddy Ursa. Trapinch.
Knitted Trapinch.
I always like the
Vanilla.
knitted things. I always like when they knit them.
All that.
Or make it out of like clay and put it like in real life.
Hoopa reverse.
Hoopa. Unbound. I think that's called Unbound.
And Talonflame. Chilling Rain. Code card. Energy. Darkness. What do you mean by light?
Lightning.
Oh, yeah. Letting.
Zap.
Old Cemetery.
What do you call it? Zap.
Impact damage.
Sneasel. Perfect. Galarian single strike. First round.
Venipede.
Venipede.
Sphere.
Venipede's just roaming around in the forest.
Just 5 gloves.
Just 5 gloves. Let's go! A real one! A real one!
Yeah.
Now we have all the Calyrexes and the real. I have a real Shadow Rider Calyrex. Lucas has a real Ice Rider Calyrex.
Now I do. Look at that.
Let's go.
Look at that.
Do you want the big Ice Rider
Ice.
or Shadow Rider Calyrex from the last one?
No, I will take
No,
this.
because I already have a Shadow Rider
This
Calyrex.
This man will be mine. Okay. So
Wait,
no
did
curse
you
pack.
just give this to me? Wait. Oh, this is the promo? Oh.
So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.